So today we are 30 minutes away from Rotherham to go and see our friends Supercar Nigel and Supercar Harry.
It's called Yum Detailing, and it's a new product that they've launched recently. So we're taking Jenny's new whip, it's the little Mercedes A-Class, to get cleaned and detailed. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and yeah, stay tuned for more content.
Yeah, what he said. I know it sounds sad as, but I actually love washing my car. I can spend all day washing the car.
Avente white skinny mocha.
Avente white skinny mocha.
No whip.
Avente white mocha.
White skinny mocha.
No cream.
No cream.
No cream.
Sugar-free caramel.
Any sugar illustrations in that one?
Sugar-free caramel, please.
Blonde roast extra shot.
Caramel.
Blonde roast extra shot, please. Sorry, I don't know if he's winding me up here.
That's right.
Thanks, sweetheart. Cheers.
Sweetheart.
So sat nav is saying we are here. We have arrived at Yum Detailing. This isn't what it looks like on Instagram.
Where's the Porsche?
Nigel's house doesn't look like this on Instagram.
Yeah, where's the Porsches?
Hold up, my squad about to roll up. Hold up, my squad about to roll up. Get them balls up, get them balls up.
We want to find out a bit of a backstory really for Yum Detailing, where it started, where's the name come from, you know, just a bit, because obviously there's loads of products out there. So let's just see if it's, you know, just get a bit of a lowdown on Yum.
Well, Yum itself, Yum Cars, good friend of ours, Nick.
Lovely.
Absolutely lovely guys. Nick and Kelly there, really nice. We met them what, a year and a half ago now, 2 years, and again it was because, let's say, the social we tend to get send all these different car products, whatever different brands. Yum actually sent us some of their gear. They said, try it, we see you like cleaning your cars, see what you think. Use it, and noticeably, honestly, it's same with anyone who uses it, you will realise there's a difference, and it's so good, and it actually stood out that it was that good. So we said, we're a seasonal business, can we get involved? We want to jump on board. We're so impressed by the product. Can we even sell this stuff for you?
Resell it.
That's how we do it.
Yeah, that's how we do it. So, of course, they wanted to jump on board. They were really happy about that.
Don't try this at home, kids.
We should have set a bait one to get you to drink it.
Oh my god, yeah.
So nice it smells.
Wow.
Is that the glass cleaner?
Oh my god, that's the blackberry juice. The smell of
That does smell nice.
I've had these before. Once again, same thing, buying them off eBay or Amazon, where I bought them and I've seen these and I thought, too expensive. There's a product that looks exactly the same, and I'll tell you exactly what happens. You get them, you put them in your wheels. Next thing, it's all coming off. This has come off. That's come off. They're knackered. These.
So I'll be interested to see these.
They're amazing.
Because we've got some good spokey wheels for you to clean today, and then do you know what? Jenny's car, which we're going to clean today, I bloody hate cleaning that car. Not cleaning the car, I hate cleaning the wheels.
Yeah.
Those spokey wheels are just pain in the arse.
You what?
Better try some Yum.
When my dad used to wash a car, it would be like a bucket, fairy liquid, sponge, chamois leather. Them days are gone, aren't they? It is literally now, you know, we've got better products now that we can take care of our cars with.
Of course, you're kind of replicating it, but now with better products that will leave the car glossier and shinier and lovely, more protected as well. Things like this ceramic here. Yeah. This is insane.
Also remember we do fireworks.
So Jenny, she doesn't clean her own car, as we all know. I clean it. Today, probably me and Harry are cleaning it, using the Yum car detailing products. So hopefully it's going to look a bit more glossy than what it does now, because she clearly looks after it. So what we're doing first then, Harry?
We're going to do wheels.
Yeah.
First things first, wheels. Wheel cleaner, we're just going to spray this on, quite liberal, all over the wheel. The face of the wheel, it'll bleed all the muck and the dirt and the brake rubbish out, you could call it.
Brake crap.
Yeah. We'll spray it on. We then got the undress, sorry, as well. This is the undress. So like the wheels bleeds the muck out of the wheel, undress bleeds the crap out of the tyre.
Oh,
so you don't get, after you've cleaned the car, that mucky tyre still. Do you know
I've
what I
never
mean?
heard of that. I've never seen that before.
It's great,
That's
honestly.
different.
We've got our wheel brush, boar hair, so it won't scratch the wheel itself.
Yeah.
We'll obviously agitate the wheels in with this and the woolly to get into the barrel of the wheel. Yeah, we'll leave this to dwell about 30 seconds to a minute. Spray it over quite liberally, like that, and then we'll spray the undress on at the same
So
time.
I've never seen this stuff. So this takes the tyre dressing off.
Yes.
That I put on before then.
Because you'll still have muck on your tyres. You know you'll clean your car.
Yeah.
At the end of it, you'll probably notice it's still horrible and grey and mucky and dirty. This will remove all the rubbish, all the crap, and then we can apply at the end the new tyre dress to make it look all brand new and lovely. But this is safe on all types of wheel. Diamond cut, powder coated, it's not bad for them at all. We're gonna just agitate both the tyre, because we put the undress on, and the wheel itself, the face of the wheel. So you're just gonna go around and give it. These are quite nasty, annoying wheels, aren't they? I've got to say.
I did say.
Then we're going to use the woolly to. One, you can go into places like this.
So this is the thing I always struggle with, is getting in the, sometimes even use your bloody finger to go around.
Yeah.
To get
We have got the soft brushes as well, which you've seen, which are great for going into like small little bits like that. But this is where this just works so well, because you can get into that barrel of the wheel where you couldn't get before. You've just got to take your time with this, I suppose.
Personally, I think wheels are the most annoying thing to clean on a car, especially wheels like that. They're just annoying.
And then just quickly go back over it. Amazing.
Notice now the wheels are clean that there's a mark here, which wasn't there a couple of weeks ago. So that looks like a curb
Jenny!
mark. Jenny, you've curbed the wheels already.
So we've obviously done the wheel and the wheel undress on the tyre, and now it's just easily jet washing it off. So now we're just going to go around the entire car, give it a quick pre-wash, get all the thick muck off before we start giving it a proper clean.
They can't break my vibe. They can't break my vibe. Oh, no, no. Ever since I met Christ. Ever since I met Christ. Yeah. They can't break my vibe. They can't break my vibe. Oh, no, no. Ever since I met Christ.
Right, so what we're doing now, we've actually gone round the car and just get a pre-wash to get all the thick muck off.
Yeah,
The magic wand now.
lovely.
Thick bit of foam going on the car to bring out all that dirty muck.
Out of your magic wand.
Yeah, I'm gonna spray out my magic wand.
You don't need to know if you ain't on board. Got my joy from the Lord. Got my joy to win like we score. Oh boy, open the wings and we soar. We just go up like it's.
So we cover the entire car.
Literally everything. Wheels, the lot.
Yeah, and
foam.
all the little cracks and crannies you can't physically get in.
No, but you can see
It'll
it.
bring the muck
Yeah.
out. It'll bleed the muck away.
I dodged death like a matador, yeah. Now I'm super blessed in the Atomore, yeah. Now you understand what we jamming for, yeah.
So we've let the snow foam dwell for 10 or 15 minutes. That's brought all the muck out, and I'm just going to give it a quick cold wash, get all the water away, and then we can give it a proper soap and sponge.
Since I met Christ, they can't break my vibe. Ever since I met Christ, yeah. They can't break my vibe. They can't break my vibe. Oh, no, no. Ever since I met Christ.
We are doing it obviously in this certain process, so now we're going to wash using.
Yeah, the new mitt what we've got Yum Detailing. But look how soapy it is from the wash itself. It's so soapy, and that obviously in turn on the car. It's absolutely lovely, and it leaves such a slick, glossy finish as well. This soap.
I mean, to be fair with these as well, they're big, aren't they? So you can cover more surface area.
Yeah, it's
because I've
quicker.
got a lambswool mitt from a competitor, which
Yeah.
was probably double the price of that, and it's bloody half the size.
Yeah.
Well, that's massive.
But it gets into all the
Soft.
look how soft it is.
Yeah.
And it really does get into everywhere. This.
Go on, get your hands dirty.
Get stuck in.
Yeah.
I don't mind getting stuck in.
He actually loves it. Make that slow mo. Hang on, the other side, dude.
You having a good day, Mark?
I'm on a great day. I love washing cars, so I'm in my element, to be fair.
It's a trap. Oh, it's a trap. It's a trap.
Now proper drying towel. This will basically suck up the moisture, I suppose, and the wet, and you'll be able to go around pretty much your full vehicle with one towel. Don't have to wring it out or anything.
Use the first towel to get the thickest off. Then after I've done the thickest,
Yeah.
we'll have another towel.
Yeah.
But it'll also be followed by after we've done with one of these.
They are fantastic.
What happened? Yeah. Hold up. It's a trap. Oh, it's a trap. It's a trap.
But for someone like me, who will actually pay someone to come and wash the car, not because I'm lazy, but I just have no clue how to wash a car, and I hear so many different stories. So this video is all about showing people at home the basics of washing your car with some top grade products that are affordable and that just work. I mean, you know, and you can help people.
We all have our different methods of washing cars, and this is similar to probably how I would wash my car. But then I've been introduced to some bits today that I've never even heard of, with the tyre decontaminator, with the blower. So there's lots of different new techniques. But yeah, let us know in the comments how you wash your car. It'd be interesting to find out.
Glass cleaner.
That's the best quote of the day.
Get that freedom back another day. I pray you see the trap and go the other way. My people are dying.
Oh, it smells nice.
I know, I smell it earlier.
So you'll see the car's now it's actually been cleaned, and it does look lovely. And a lot of people leave it like this, and as you can. What we're going to do now is use the Yum ceramic spray. And this is take the normal ceramic coat and you go and take it to somewhere. They charge you an arm and a leg.
8 hours later.
And then you pick it. This is at-home version. It's the best way to do it. I mean, you can use it in hot, cold weather. It's fantastic, really versatile. But you just want to spray a couple of sprays. What we're going to do, get your first cloth. And we're going to, in a straight line, just basically coat the car. Work on, like a panel at a time, so you know where you've been. And you're just going to spread it over, let's say, this front area, a bit more.
Right.
And then what Jason's gonna do is follow me round with another cloth.
Yeah.
And just buff it off now.
Okay.
Buff away. And it not only makes it, as you can see, so much glossier, shiny, lovely. This will now, if you were, the muck won't stick to it. You can see it's got a feel of like glossiness.
It does the same as a.
And it'll bead any water and dirt off.
It's all about the beading.
Oh, what we'll do, we'll actually get a kettle of water and we'll tip it this on after we've gone around the car, and you'll notice it'll just flood off.
Nice.
I thought I was cool, now I'm trapped like you. What happened was living for God, but I'm trapped in. I gave up my life and I walk in the faith, but I think that I'm lacking. See my blood on that white snow, plane crash when it fly low. Thought it was just shining bright, but now it's just a slight glow. I can't tell you when it went wrong with my sin to be.
About to make everyone a cup of tea. No, I'm not really. What we're going to do is we're going to test how this water beads off the car now we've gone round with this quick ceramic coating.
He can save me from this trap. Oh, it's a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap. You don't know that you trapped in. Oh no.
So we've just finished the ceramic.
Yeah.
It takes about 15 minutes, doesn't it? To
If you're on
apply
your
it.
own, yeah.
If you're on your own, yeah. I mean, today we've got a team of us, so what we're going to do next?
The tyre dress. Now, dress is just one of these things you're going to do at the end just to make it look a bit nicer. As you can see, your tyre is clean from using the undress.
Yeah.
Now we're going to dress it, make it look a bit nicer and shiny, a bit glossier, a little bit on your pad, and you're going to just go around in. Because this pad's obviously got these like little bumps in it, it works its way into like the tyre itself. So you don't want too much, you don't need to make it look too over the top, but nice like that, polish it in, looks fresh and new. So I've got this magic little bottle here. This isn't glass cleaner, this is like a glass sealant, so like our ceramic on the outside of the paintwork, this is going to do the same sort of thing on your glass, windows, lights, mirrors, wherever you want to put it, basically glass. And this will stop water basically just staying stagnant. A few little drops on here like that, and all you're going to do is apply it like this in forward and backwards motions, cover all the window. let it sort of haze up.
It almost adds like a film of protection.
It's like, yeah, exactly. And then all we're going to do is basically buff it off.
It does the same as ceramic. It
Same
beats the
as
water beads off it.
Yeah, that's it.
All the way up. We've been going in for a minute. Yeah, we've been going in for a minute. We've been going in for a minute. Yeah, we've been going in for a minute. I know I'm not entitled to nothing. No, no. If I think I am, then I'm bluffing. Yeah, yeah. I'm not entitled to nothing. No, no. If I think I am, then I'm bluffing. Yeah, yeah. Eyes on the king, all the way up. 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 I'm not entitled to nothing. No, no. If I think I am, then I'm bluffing. Yeah, yeah. I'm not entitled to nothing. No, no. If I think I am, then I'm bluffing. Yeah, yeah.
Look at all these awards, audience with applause. That don't mean nothing, please rep for the cause. For all my day one since he stepped on the cross, and my eyes was wide open to what that love cost. Keep my eyes.
There we go. That's the car, fully done. But as you would do it at home, you know, without having it professionally ceramic coated. Mark, talk to us a bit about the processes.
Yeah, so processes wise, obviously you've seen on the video the processes we went through. Yum Detailing, what fantastic products. You do get what you pay for with any product, especially with car cleaning products. You get what you pay for. Urge you to check out these guys. The link is in the description where you can go and buy some of these goods. They're absolutely fantastic. I mean, some of the bits that we've been shown today I didn't know about, and it's always good to learn. So yeah, it's fantastic. It's been a great day here.
And like always, share your views, your comments, how you wash your cars and what you do in the comments below. Like and subscribe.
Yes.
Just doing that thing again, isn't it?
Come on. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I don't mean to be rude. Yeah, yeah. I'm just a little different from all these dudes. Okay. They riding waves, me, I'm up on a cruise. Yeah, yeah. You feel like me, then you got nothing to prove. I see him trying to do what I do. Yeah, yeah. Even Mick Jagger couldn't move like a move. Yeah, yeah. You think you're how it look? I'm up on the moon. Yeah, got fresh to death and it came out of the tomb. That's cause I got a different type of gratitude. Don't be sour, got my power from the Beatitudes. And we did it in
Well then, Nige.
These are ice fountains from Galactic Fireworks, coming in box 48.
Do they shoot ice?
No, they shoot sparkling flames. Just get to Galactic Fireworks website.
Let me show you my box. Can I show everyone my box?
I got a different type of swagger, dude. You ain't gonna find nobody like me on your avenues. Better come get me while you can. I'm just passing through. Ask me how I get this good. Oh, you could blame it on my attitude. Yeah. Okay, baby, that's just my attitude. Yeah, I don't blame you. If I was you, I'd probably be getting mad too. Oh, I know now, baby, there ain't no better dude. Yeah, that's just my attitude. Yeah, okay, ayy.